Hey, it's Mike Duffy checking in from YouTube Partnership Program. I want you to become a YouTube partner and dominate the first page of Google. Do you have any of the following? A brand or a business? Are you a published author with books? Are you a content creator or influencer? Are you an artist, illustrator, carpenter, tradesperson, or just simply have a product or service that you want to have promoted online? Do you need more people to fund your business? Do you need to make more money? You're in the right place. So my question for you is, how is your product or service currently showing up on a Google or YouTube search? Did you know Google is the number one search engine? YouTube is the number 2 search engine. How does your brand and product show up when your existing customers or your new customers or people in your sphere of influence? If somebody gets referred to you or your business and they go to look you up, what do they find? Is it going to help aid their decision in choosing you? Or are they going to not choose you based on what they're finding on the internet? So today we're going to discuss the YouTube Partner Program. I've been a YouTube partner since 2024. We're currently in 2025, and YouTube has asked me to find more YouTube channels who need help going from YouTube creator status to YouTube partner status. So we're going to discuss YouTube partner status today. So what is YouTube partner status? You're a YouTube creator when you have subscribers, but you're not receiving a percentage of the ad revenue. If you've ever been on YouTube, go watch some videos. On popular channels, they're running ads. YouTube partners, if you will be receiving a percentage of the ad revenue. You could have 1,000 or 1 million subscribers, but you need 4,000 public watch hours to become a YouTube partner. And I'm going to teach you how to do this. What are those YouTube partner requirements? 1,000 subs, 4,000 public watch hours. If you're dealing with YouTube Shorts, you need more watch hours. So we're going to be talking about the easiest thing to do is 1,000 subs and the 4,000 public watch hours. What are the benefits to being a YouTube partner? As I mentioned before, share of the ad revenue. But I believe as a business owner, you have massive return on investment if you can get YouTube to generate high authority backlinks for your channel over on Google search. What would this mean? Well, when you search for a business, if you go to search for my name, Michael Duffy, or my main business, Don't Get Hacked Cybersecurity, what backlinks are you going to find on Google search? Well, it just depends on what country you're searching from, what keywords you're searching for. But my goal is for you to find my website, find my My Business listing that also shows up on Google Maps, and then find videos pointing you to my YouTube channel. Another benefit of being a YouTube partner is bragging rights. Only a very, very small part of the YouTube channel community right now have become partners because it can be a challenge to get over that 4,000 watch hours. So some channels you'll look up don't even have 1,000 subs. So if they don't have 1,000 subscribers, they're just a YouTube creator and not a partner. Over 1,000 subs and over 4,000 watch hours, then they'd be a YouTube partner, getting a share of the ad revenue, getting high authority backlinks created for their YouTube channel from Google search, and bragging rights that they're part of the 0.001% club that have received partner status. So let's discuss what are backlinks. I've brought backlinks up. Backlinks are also called inbound links or incoming links, and they're links from one website to another. They are crucial in SEO search engine optimization, because search engines like Google use them as a ranking factor. So again, you've got a business, you've got a trade, you have a website. When you go to look that website up on Google search, how old are the backlinks that you found? Perhaps you've got links from Facebook or Instagram or news articles from years ago or whatever the case may be. You could have backlinks from websites that you don't even remember because you wrote an article, you wrote a blog post years ago, and those are still showing up as your backlink, which means you don't have many recent backlinks. Backlinks are what are going to make people choose to click on your website, click on your videos on YouTube, and create that instant trust factor with you. Why are backlinks important? Well, the more high authority backlinks you have, the higher your website will rank. If you search for your name or business, do you even show up on Google search? If you don't, you need to make some backlinks. If you do, what other backlinks show up that represent your business? That's what we just discussed. Are the backlinks that are showing up, do they even represent your business anymore? Maybe they were created 2 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago. You need to get those updated. Why are YouTube backlinks valuable? Well, since YouTube is owned by Google, YouTube backlinks are high authority and high trust. If you upload to YouTube frequently, you'll constantly have new backlinks generated. No account is needed to access YouTube as well. Your content is not hidden behind a walled garden. And we're going to discuss walled gardens and why they're useful, but why you want to make sure you're also showing up on YouTube with fresh content. Why is YouTube the best monetization platform? Well, YouTube pays the most, $4,000 per 1 million views. The YouTube backlinks. So when you're searching Google for your business, if you find any Google links or any Google links pointing to your YouTube channel, those links have higher authority than links created by Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok. How is YouTube used in comparison to Google? Well, YouTube has become the number 2 search engine in 2024, 2025. Trends show YouTube search is moving from mobile devices as the first entry into YouTube search. It's moving over to smart TVs. So traditionally, you used to use your desktop or laptop to go to YouTube when I first started out. And then that shifted to mobile devices like iPhones, Androids, iPads. And now the number 1 search device for YouTube is actually smart TVs. So this is how the future of viewing content and interacting content is changing, because the younger generation, if you look at anybody's house or office, smart TVs are going up anywhere. Smart TVs have apps built into them. YouTube's one of those apps, and people will literally search. People, children, your parents, whatever. People are now searching your business name, your product name on their smart TV, and that is bringing up your YouTube content. And that is how the YouTube audience is shifting. It's going from one person searching for something on a phone to a multi-user environment searching for keywords on a smart TV. So let's talk about monetization comparisons. So how does YouTube monetization compare to TikTok? Well, YouTube pays $4,000 per 1 million views. TikTok, it's $600 per 1 million views, and this is all in US dollars. Compare it to X. Again, $4,000 for YouTube per 1 million views. X pays $8 for 1 million views. Snapchat comparison, $1,000 for 1 million views. And Facebook. I know a ton of people love using Facebook and getting paid by Facebook. It's paying you out half of what YouTube's paying you out. $4,000 for YouTube for 1 million views. Facebook's at $2,000 for 1 million views. So, we're at that point. Should I quit using the other social media platforms? No, because they are great for creating and managing those communities you have already spent time building. However, I've mentioned walled gardens, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram are walled gardens. You need an account to access that content. And we want your business to be more discoverable, which means we don't know your future clients that are going to be looking for you. Are they even on these social media networks? Are they not using them at the moment? They're searching for you on Google. We want to make sure you show up on YouTube, and then everybody can find you. So let's just refine this. What is that walled garden? Well, a website or social media app that requires an account to access the content. I might say, don't stop using the walled gardens. Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, you have your communities over there. But what we want to do is we want to repurpose that video content you have in those walled gardens, send it automatically over to your YouTube channel and leverage YouTube as the discovery tool for your communities in behind the walled gardens. Or YouTube can just be your top level funnel, pointing to your website, pointing to your funnels, wherever your products are. So how do you make content for YouTube? Well, just like the way you make content for any other social media. Grab your phone, shoot videos showcasing your brand, products, services, customer testimonials. Start a daily live stream such as this podcast. You can do it from your phone. There's multiple apps out there that let you stream from your computer, from your phone to multiple different social media networks at once. Repurpose your content from other places. So all those videos you are creating on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and LinkedIn, send them over to YouTube. YouTube wants that content. They know their customer base is growing. They're already paying out the most per million views. So how about you just go and take all your video content and throw it up on YouTube and then advertise you're on YouTube. You can also look into faceless channels where you don't have to show your face. And these are becoming popular because cartoons are very catchy, infographic videos are very catchy, and AI is booming right now. And there's tons of websites out there on the internet that will actually help you create faceless videos where you don't have to show your face, you don't have to put your makeup on. You can just use your creativity and generate video content for your brand, your business, your service, your books, whatever you're trying to sell. So, because I'm a YouTube partner, my whole family's YouTube partners, YouTube sends us a lot of interesting things. So here is one PDF they sent, which really just tells you how to get started, how to get a channel set up, upload your content, understand guidelines. Yes, you're still going to have to deal with copyright strikes. There might be political stuff you can't upload. There's going to be rules and regulations around videos, and this might be a sore spot for some creators who say, well, there's too many restrictions on YouTube, or YouTube stopped me from uploading these particular videos in the past. And what I'm going to say is just deal with it. Move on. You can go use Rumble. There is other platforms for particular sensitive videos that you want to upload. YouTube's not the place for that. YouTube is the place for your business to get discovered and for you to get the most monetization. Just work within those rules. You'll be fine. If you want a copy of this PDF, I can definitely get it sent over to you. So go back to the other social medias. You're already using TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. YouTube wants you to repurpose your content. How? There's a website called repurpose.io, and their slogan is create once, publish everywhere. And it's compatible with everything you're already using for your videos. So here's an infographic of how repurpose works. Repurpose is compatible, again, with LinkedIn, TikTok, X, Instagram, Facebook. And literally your short or long videos, you post it once in one place. Repurpose will grab that content and repost it everywhere else for you. And YouTube wants you to use this. YouTube wants you to be posting content. Apps that are compatible with repurpose.io. I grabbed this from their website. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Snapchat, Pinterest, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Once you upload a video to one of these platforms, Repurpose will rebroadcast it to the other platforms. There's no excuse for not working on your YouTube strategy and getting your business discovered in 2025 and going forward. And I would get a special gift for you. Scan this QR code. YouTube, I'm a YouTube partner. YouTube's giving you 3 months of repurpose.io. And I know any new technology can be frustrating, can be a learning curve to use. So it's not a 14-day trial, it's 3 months. You got 90 days to play with it. Make some content, upload your TikTok videos, upload your Instagram, learn how it all plays with repurpose.io and get started going from YouTube creator to YouTube partner. Remember, 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours. Sounds challenging, but you're already making content for all those other social media networks. Just resync it, repurpose it, over at YouTube. So my call to action, get started today by booking a call to get a customized plan and price. We have different pricing for different levels of YouTube accounts. It depends where you are in your process with YouTube. If you haven't started versus if you have started and haven't reached 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, to a plan that helps us coach you through growing your account. We have a full team, and this is how you get a hold of us. calendly.com/don't-get-hacked/YouTube, or call me 24/7 at 1403-471-8082. I run a cybersecurity company. I have a call center who answers the phone 24/7, 365. You text me, I answer it. You WhatsApp me on this number, I'm going to answer you. If you go to Calendly, you get 30-minute complimentary call. We're going to discuss your YouTube channel, if you have one, if you don't, if it's stagnant, and we're going to tell you what your next steps are to get it reactivated and move forward. Whether you're moving forward by yourself or you're moving forward with us, we want you to get the details you need to make an informed decision to get your YouTube reestablished, rocking and rolling, making some money, and generating high authority backlinks for your website. If you wonder who we are, we're the Duffy family. My whole family is YouTube partners. We've been working on YouTube for years. Join the partner club. Start a channel and let us guide you through becoming a YouTube wizard, becoming a monetized YouTube partner. This image comes from March 2025 at a YouTube partner event in New Orleans, Louisiana, at the Mardi Gras School of Cooking, where my daughter learned how to cook a meal from a professional chef. YouTube has amazing events like this all across the United States right now. We've gone to 5 of them. We want you to join us and let us help you grow your YouTube channel, become monetized, make more money, have more people, more potential customers, discover your business, discover your content, discover your nonprofit, whatever you have. Just get rolling with a YouTube channel and master the art of creating content and being omnipresent. Again, we're available 24/7, 1403-471-8082. Call, texts, WhatsApp us, Telegram me. It all comes to my iPhone. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.